We got one. Oh, yeah. Oh, mad skills. This guy's got some mad skills. Oh, there it is. It's like glue. It's like glue stuck to your stick. Almost. You got it. Woo! Oh. Try it one more time. You got it. I saw you do it. Yes! Sky Rose, hockey player extraordinaire. She's got skills.